Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to see financial system. When I say financial system, which is pertains to Indian financial system, this will be useful for your banking awareness, JAIIB principles of banking, and other banking related examinations. So this is the very basic lessons which we are going to see today, Indian financial system. This will give the overall outline of Indian financial system, how it operates, what are all the the system which is pertains to Indian financial system. We will see one by one. Let's see. The financial system consists of financial institutions, financial markets, financial assets, financial services. When I say financial institutions, you have a banking institution and non-banking institutions. Right. The banking institutions which further classified or divided into commercial bank, that is we call it as scheduled commercial bank. The scheduled commercial bank means it has been listed under section 5B of BR Act. We have a private bank and public sector bank. Private bank, for example, we have Lakshmi Vilas Bank, Karur Vysya Bank, and HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, etc. Public sector bank, State Bank of India, Indian Overseas Bank, Indian banks, etc. We have a cooperative bank. There are two types of cooperative bank. One is operating on a single state, which is called single state cooperative bank, or which comes under Single State Cooperative Societies Act. And there are cooperative banks which operates in multi-state, which comes under Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act, or which comes under Central Act. Third banking institution is Regional Rural Bank. We call it as RRB, right? Which has been controlled by central government, sponsoring bank, and state government. In Tamil Nadu, the example is Pondian Gramina Bank, Pallavan Gramina Bank. These are all called Regional Rural Bank. And then we also have a foreign bank like a Citibank, yes, HSBC, Standard Chartered Bank, etc. Let's go back to that financial institution classification. We have a banking and non-banking. Banking, we have seen commercial, cooperative, regional, rural bank, and foreign bank. NBFC is a non-banking finance companies. There are certain activities NBFC cannot do that. For example, they cannot issue a check, they cannot open a savings or current account, but NBFC can collect fixed deposit. NBFC can give a loan also, right? A retail loan or corporate loans they can give, but they cannot issue a check, they cannot open a savings or current accounts, right? The next category of financial system is financial market. This is further classified into unorganized and organized. Under organized, we have a capital market and money market. Capital market, we were talking about primary and secondary market. Primary market basically into a IPO, right? Initial public offer. The shares which is issued in primary market will be traded in secondary market. Money market, there will be a further classification for the products like a call money, notice money, term money, commercial paper, treasury bill, all are money market instruments. Capital market, you have debt as well as equity, both will trade under capital market. Money market is all short-term borrowing. It's all short-term borrowing. Your financial instruments are financial assets. That is also part of financial system, right? This is all your debenture, government securities. These are two are long term. Equity is a risk capital for long term. Then you have a short term commercial paper, treasury bill, etc. The fourth category of financial system is financial services. You have a fund based services, fee based services. Fee based services, basically a issue management, merchant banking, credit rating companies, debt restructuring, stock broking, mutual fund, all these things comes under financial services. Fund based services, you have a leasing, hire purchase, consumer credit, bill discounting, factoring, forfeiting, insurance companies, etc. That is all fund based services. Okay, so to summarize this, the financial system is classified under institutions, market, instruments, and services. Institutions, we have a banking and non-banking. Markets, we have a capital market and money market. Here, the foreign exchange market and debt markets are not classified, but that is also a part of financial market. And financial services, you have a fund-based and fee-based services. Okay. So these are all the broader classification of financial system. What we are going to do is we are going to talk about each line item separately on a separate videos. That will really help us. For example, we will prepare a separate video on commercial bank, right? What is in by commercial bank? What is the relevant laws? How it operates, etc., etc. Same way for cooperative bank and regional rural bank, etc. Right? So this is in a first video which we are preparing on basics of banking system. I request all of you to go through that and understand line by line. That will really helps for your examinations. Right? Those who are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe Nesto Institute and click your bell button to get the notifications. Right? Thank you for watching. We'll catch you up again on the next video. Thank you so much.